It is day one of the federal trial of Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan. Dugan is accused of helping an undocumented immigrant evade immigration officials inside the county courthouse back in April. Jury selection is underway right now in federal court. 12 News' Mallory Anderson is live there at the federal courthouse in Milwaukee with some of the questions potential jurors have already been asked this morning.
Jaron, court started with long security lines this morning as all of the potential jurors arrived for their duties at 8 o'clock this morning. Someone else who arrived early, Hannah Dugan herself. The Milwaukee County judge walked up to the federal courthouse in a long black coat and red scarf, but did not take questions. Inside the courtroom, proceedings began about 20 minutes after 9, a slight delay due to those long lines and paperwork required by the jurors. After jurors were sworn in, Judge Lynn Edelman then read the entire indictment against Dugan before starting questioning. For the first slew of questions, jurors were asked things like whether they know any of the potential witnesses, have they been to the Milwaukee County Courthouse, or if they have any health issues that could affect their service. And this morning is only the start. Today and tomorrow, jurors could be asked about their personal politics, views on immigration, and opinions about Homeland Security and ICE. Once all the other jurors are eliminated, a group of 12 will eventually be seated to hear the case.
And so, Mallory, opening statements and testimony is expected to begin Monday and last the entire week?
Yeah, Jaron, but Judge Lynn Edelman did say that there's a possibility that this case could bleed into the following week. So that's the week of Christmas. Once they brought that up, a lot of the potential jurors expressed concerns about whether they would be able to serve on this jury. That is something that both the legal teams and the judge will have to consider as they pick that impartial jury.
And we know Hannah Dugan has pleaded not guilty to the charges against her. Mallory Anderson reporting live from the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee. Thank you, Mallory. The man at the center of Dugan's arrest is no longer in the United States. Last month, the Department of Homeland Security announced Eduardo Flores Ruiz had been deported to Mexico. He agreed to that deportation as part of a plea deal for being in the country illegally.